Welcome to our MA1 study guide. I've created 1,000 practice questions just for you, complete with clear explanations to help you understand key business concepts step by step. Whether you're a beginner or an international student, my goal is to explain everything in a simple, friendly way, just like a real classroom. Let's go through some questions together. Question 1. What is not part of the definition of an organization? Which of these statements is incorrect? A. A group working towards shared goals while managing performance. B. A social arrangement with a boundary that separates it from the environment. C. A system designed only to maximize profit for its owners. D. An arrangement that can include businesses, charities, and government organizations. Correct answer, C. Why? Organizations aren't always focused on profit. While some businesses exist to make money, many organizations like charities and government agencies have other goals, such as helping people or providing services. Option A is true. Organizations work together toward common goals. Option B is true. Every organization has a clear structure and boundary. Option D is true. Organizations come in many forms, from businesses to nonprofits. Option C is incorrect, because not every organization is about profit. Question 2. What are the benefits of decentralization? A company has decided to decentralize its operations. What are two advantages of this decision? A. Senior management can focus on strategy while junior managers handle daily decisions. B. Decisions are more uniform and tightly controlled by top management. C. Junior managers feel more motivated because they have decision-making power. D. There is no risk of poor coordination between departments. A and C. Why? Decentralization means that decision-making is spread out. Instead of only top managers making decisions, lower-level managers also get decision-making power. Option A is correct. Senior managers don't have to handle every small decision, so they can focus on big-picture strategies. Option C is correct. Junior managers feel more motivated and empowered because they have more responsibility. Option B is incorrect. Uniform and tightly controlled decisions are actually a characteristic of centralization, not decentralization. Option D is incorrect. Decentralization can sometimes cause coordination problems between different departments because decisions are being made at different levels. Question 3. What type of organizational structure does this company use? A manufacturing company has separate divisions for electronics, furniture, and clothing. What type of structure is this? A. Functional structure. B. Divisional structure. C. Matrix structure. D. Centralized structure. Correct answer, B. Divisional structure. In a divisional structure, companies organize their departments based on products, regions, or customer groups. Option B is correct. Since this company separates departments by product lines, it is a divisional structure. Option A, functional structure, is incorrect because that would mean grouping by business function, e.g. sales, HR, finance, rather than by product. Option C, matrix structure, is incorrect because a matrix structure combines two different structures at the same time, like product lines and functions. Option D, centralized structure, is incorrect because centralization refers to decision-making authority, not how a company is divided. Key takeaway. A divisional structure allows specialization in each product area but might lead to duplication of resources across divisions. Question 4. Who handles payroll in a company? Which department or role is responsible for calculating employee salaries and maintaining payroll records? A. Human Resources, payroll section. B. Sales and marketing. C. Finance, accounts receivable. D. Procurement purchasing. Correct answer, A. Human Resources, payroll section. Y role. The process of calculating and paying employee salaries is managed by the HR department, specifically the payroll section. They handle tasks like calculating wages and salaries, processing new employees and resignations, making sure taxes and benefits are deducted correctly. Common mistake. Some people assume the finance or accounting department does all money-related tasks. However, finance usually only processes payments after HR calculates payroll. Option B, sales and marketing, is incorrect. This department focuses on selling products, not paying employees. Option C, finance accounts receivable, is incorrect. This team deals with customer payments, not payroll. Option D, procurement purchasing, is incorrect. This team buys goods and services for the company, not handles salaries. Key takeaway. Payroll is a specialized task handled within, while finance ensures the actual payments are made. Question 5. What decreases as you move down a tall hierarchy? In a company with a strict hierarchy, a tall structure, what generally decreases as you go lower in the organization? A. Number of subordinates, staff, managed. B. Decision-making authority and power. C. Specialization of tasks. D. Need to report to a superior. Correct answer B. Decision-making authority and power. Why? In a tall hierarchy, top managers have the most authority and decision-making power. As you move down, employees have less power and mostly follow decisions made at the top. Option A, number of subordinates managed, is incorrect. Lower-level managers sometimes have more subordinates than those at the top. Option C, specialization of tasks, is incorrect. Actually, specialization increases at lower levels because jobs become more specific. Option D, need to report to a superior, is incorrect. This actually increases at lower levels since employees at the bottom have more supervisors above them. Key takeaway. Higher levels set the strategy, while lower levels carry out specific tasks with limited decision-making power. Question 6. Which structure leads to duplicate support services? In which type of company structure is there a higher chance of duplication of support services, like HR or finance being repeated in multiple units? A, a functional, centralized structure. B, a divisional structure. C, a flat, small organization. D, a matrix structure. Correct answer B, divisional structure. Why? In a divisional structure, a company is divided into different units, like separate product lines or regions. Each division often has its own finance, HR, or marketing team, leading to duplication. Option A, functional structure, is incorrect. Here, support services are centralized into a single department, avoiding duplication. Option C, flat, small organization, is incorrect. Small companies often don't have separate departments, so duplication isn't a concern. Option D, matrix structure, is incorrect. While complex, matrix structures share resources rather than duplicating them. Key takeaway. Divisional structures offer specialization, but they can also waste resources by duplicating departments in each unit. Question 7. What's the advantage of organizing by region? Scenario. AlphaCo organizes its business into separate divisions for the Americas, Europe, and Asia. Each regional manager makes most decisions independently. What's the advantage of this setup? A. Decisions are made closer to local markets, allowing a faster response to regional needs. B. Top management retains tighter control over all decisions. C. Decisions are completely consistent across all regions. D. There's no need for coordination between regions. Correct answer, A, faster response to local markets. Why? This is a divisional structure by geography, meaning each region operates somewhat independently. A big advantage is that local managers understand their markets best, so they can make decisions quickly and effectively based on local needs. Option A is correct because decentralization allows flexibility and faster adaptation to regional differences. Option B is incorrect. Tighter control happens in a centralized structure, but AlphaCo is decentralized. Option C is incorrect. Regional divisions mean decisions vary between locations. There's no strict consistency. Option D is incorrect. Regions still need coordination to avoid conflicting strategies or inefficiencies. Key takeaway. Organizing by region empowers local managers to make faster market-specific decisions, but it does require coordination between divisions. Question 8. Matching organizational structures to their features. Which of the following correctly matches a company structure with one of its key characteristics? A. Functional structure. Each division specializes in a product or region. B. Divisional structure. Risk of duplicated functions, e.g., each unit has its own HR, finance, etc. C. Matrix structure. Has simple and clear lines of authority. D. Centralized structure. High decision authority is delegated to junior levels. B. Divisional structure leads to duplication of functions. Why? In a divisional structure, a company is split into units based on products, regions, or customers. Each division often has its own HR, finance, and other support departments, which increases duplication of resources. Option B is correct, because this is a known drawback of the divisional structure. It trades efficiency for flexibility. Option A is incorrect. This describes divisional structure, not functional. A functional structure groups by expertise, e.g., all marketing staff in one department, all finance staff in another. Option C is incorrect. 2. Matrix structures actually create complexity, as employees report to two bosses, e.g., a project manager and a department head. Option D is incorrect. A centralized structure keeps decisions at the top, meaning less power is given to junior staff, the opposite of what's stated. Key takeaway. Functional equals group by expertise, e.g. all marketing in one place. Divisional grouped by output, e.g. separate HR for each product line or region. Matrix employees have two reporting lines, complex structure. Centralized, decisions made at the top, not delegated. Question 9. What is not a purpose of an office policy manual? An office policies and procedures manual helps employees follow standard practices, but which of these is not one of its purposes? A. Providing guidance to employees on standard practices. B. Ensuring a uniform approach across the company for common processes. C. Serving as an external marketing document to attract customers. D. Helping the organization meet legal requirements, e.g. health and safety. Correct answer, C. It's not a marketing tool for customers. Why? A policies and procedures manual is an internal document meant to help employees work consistently and follow company rules. Option A is correct. It guides employees on best practices. Option B is correct. It ensures that all employees follow the same processes, keeping things consistent. Option D is correct. It often includes legal and safety policies to ensure the company follows regulations. Option C is incorrect because a policies manual is not meant for external marketing. It's for internal use only. Key takeaway. These manuals are essential for training, consistency, and compliance, but they are not designed for customers. Question 10. What's the best way to help new employees learn company procedures? Scenario. Beta Lilted wants to make sure every new hire understands how to request IT support, how to report absences, how to follow safety rules. What's the best solution? A. Rely on verbal instructions from managers each time. B. Create a comprehensive policies and procedures manual. C. Implement a suggestion box for new hires to ask questions. D. Have no formal documentation and let employees figure it out. Correct answer B. Create a policies and procedures manual. Why? A written manual ensures that every new employee gets the same clear instructions on important company policies. It prevents confusion and ensures consistency across the organization. Option A is incorrect. Verbal instructions are unreliable. Different managers might explain things differently, and people can forget details over time. Option C is incorrect. A suggestion box collects feedback, but it doesn't teach employees how to follow procedures. Option D is incorrect. Having no documentation would cause chaos, leading to confusion and mistakes. Key takeaway: a written manual is the best tool for training new employees and ensuring everyone follows the same rules. Many companies also combine manuals with training sessions for better understanding. Keep learning with me. Want more? Check out my YouTube channel for 1,000 plus practice questions with step-by-step explanations, just like this. Let's keep learning together.